Hello children, myself Ranjana Srivastav. I am your environmental teacher from Ikra Primary English Medium School branch. Today I am going to start the chapter 16 from the textbook Looking Around of Standard 4, that is a busy month. Children, this chapter is related to birds wrote by Giju Bhai. Giju Bhai lived in Gujarat. He wrote many stories for children. In this letter, you will learn about some of the birds that you see all around. Okay? So, let's begin the chapter. Dear children, it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There are no clouds in the sky. The sun is burning hot. The sparrows, doves, and sunbirds have started working in pairs as they prepare to make their nest. Some of the birds have already made their nest. In some of the nests, the eggs have hatched. The parent birds are busy filling the chicks with different kinds of insects and other things. Hatched means production of baby chick. Understood? Now, this is a picture of dove. As you can see here, in our courtyard also, there is a baby dove. There is another egg in the nest, but it has not hatched yet. Next paragraph. On the way of Gopal Bhai house, there are many stones along the roadside. In the space between these stones, an Indian robin has laid its eggs. Bachchu Bhai showed it to me. I looked through the binoculars. Students, this is a picture of Indian robin bird. I saw that the nest was made of grass. On top there were soft twigs, roots, wool, hair and cotton wool. This is how the robin makes its nest. What a soft and cozy home for its chicks. The robin is not like the crow. A crow nest is made of all kinds of things, even pieces of wire and wood. I saw a baby bird in the robin nest. It was sitting with its beak wide open. The mouth was red from inside. In a little while, the robin flew to the nest and put something in the chick's open beak, maybe a few small insects. By then it was evening. The robin settled down with its chick. Students, this is all about the robin bird. Okay? Now next. This is the picture of koel. You know that the koel sings sweetly? Do you know that this bird does not make its own nest? It lays its eggs in a crow nest. The crow hatches them along with its own eggs. There is a small tree nearby. It has a nest hanging from its branch. Birds are so wonderfully different. The crow builds its nest high up on a tree. The dove makes its nest among the thorns of cactus plant or a mehndi hedge. The sparrow can be found in and around our own house. It makes its nest anywhere on the top of the cupboard, behind a mirror, on a ledge. Pigeons also make their nest like this. Often they make nest in old and deserted buildings. The barbet or coppersmith bird can be heard in the summer with its tuk 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 call. It makes its nest in a hole in a tree trunk, and the tailor bird uses its sharp beak to stitch together two leaves on a bush. It lays its eggs in the fold of the leaf that it has made. This is its nest. Students, this is the teller bird. Okay. Students, next bird is sunbird. The sunbird makes a nest that hangs from the branch or a small tree or a bush. The same evening, we saw a sunbird's nest. Can you guess what its nest is made of? The nest has hair, grass, thin twigs, dry leaves, cotton wool, bits of tree bark, pieces of cloth, rags, and even spiders' cobwebs. When I looked through the binoculars, I could see a chick in the nest. It was sitting near the small opening in the nest. It was waiting for its mother to bring some food. What else can it do? Just eat and sleep. Next bird is weaver bird. This is the characteristics of weaver bird. Only male weaver bird make nest and female look at all the nest and chooses the one that she likes. Students, see at page number 130. All the birds are so busy these days making a nest and laying the eggs. It is only the first step. It is a difficult task to raise the young one in the nest which had been made with so much effort. Birds have many enemies, humans and other animals too. Crows and squirrels, cats and rats, all of them wait for a chance to steal the eggs. Many times they even break the nest. To keep oneself safe from danger, to find food, make a nest, hatch the eggs and raise the chicks safely. All these are tests for every bird. And see how the birds still sing with joy and spread their wings and fly freely. Okay, so that is all for now. Salam, blessing from your Giju Bhai. Students, this is all about the bird. This is a letter is written by Giju Bhai in 1936 about the birds. Okay, now let's start the question answer related to this letter. First question is, how many years ago did Giju Bhai write this letter? Giju Bhai wrote this letter in 1936. Next, find out how old your grandfather and grandmother were at that time. My grandfather and grandmother were not born at that time. Next, this letter talks about many different birds. How many of these birds have you seen? I have seen dove, crow, quail, pigeon and weaver bird. Got it, children? Now next question. How many other birds have you seen? Which ones? I have seen several other birds like sparrow, parrot, manna, owl, eagle, peacock, etc. Next, have you seen a bird's nest? Where did you see it? Yes, I have seen a bird's nest. It was made on the branch of a tree in the park. Okay. Now next question. Which is your favorite bird? Can you show your friends in the class how it flies and what sound it makes? My favorite bird is penguin. It can not fly. It is a flightless bird. Okay. Guess what this bird is? A crown on the head and coins on the tail. So many shades of blue from top to tail. Clue. It is our national bird. This bird is peacock. Do you know of any other bird that makes its nest in a tree trunk like the barbet does? Yes, woodpecker also made its nest in a tree trunk like a barbet. If there is a nest inside or around your house, look carefully at it. Remember, do not go too near the nest and do not touch it. If you do, then the bird will not come to the nest again. Okay? Observe the nest for some days and note down the following things. Where is the nest made? The nest is made in the balcony of our neighbor's house. Next, what is the nest made of? It is made of straw and sticks. Students, next question. Is the nest ready or are the birds still making it? The nest is ready. Can you recognize which bird has made the nest? Yes, pigeon has made this nest. What thing does the bird bring to the nest? Pigeon brings hay and sticks to the nest. Do you think there are any eggs in the nest? Yes, there are eggs in the nest. Can you hear any sound like chee chee from the nest? Yes, I can hear sound like chee chee from the nest. If there are chicks in the nest, what do the parent bird bring from for them to eat? Parent bird brings seeds, grains, fruits, crumbs and for them to eat. How many times in 1 hour do the birds come to the nest? The birds come for about 2 or 3 times in 1 hour. After how many days did the chicks leave the nest? 25 to 32 days the chicks leave the nest. Okay. Now children, let's see page number 134. Animals' teeth. You have seen that animals have different types of teeth. Cows have short front teeth for snipping grass. The teeth on the sides are large and flat for chewing the grass. Cats have sharp teeth for tearing and cutting meat. Snakes have sharp curved teeth, but they do not chew their prey. Snakes always swallow their food whole. Squirrels' front teeth keep growing throughout their life. They have to keep gnawing on things to keep their teeth from becoming too long. Okay. This is the characteristics of squirrel keep growing throughout their life. Okay, children. So students, here with this we completed our 16th chapter, that is a busy month. Hope this video is useful for you all. Okay, thank you very much.